All right, hello everybody. Let's take a look here. This was a solutions video. What I did was I've actually have all the answers in here, so I'll just quickly go over them, and you can fix your solutions so that they are correct now. So let's look right here. Remembering that of is always going to be multiplication. So 1/6 of 24 is kind of like the same thing as thinking like 24 divided by 6. The other way of doing it is that you write it out. You change the of to multiplication, and then you change the whole number into a fraction over 1, because this is 24 wholes, 24 ones. So 1/6 times 24 ones, then you multiply your numerators across, then your denominators, and solve. So 1 times 24 is 24, and 6 times 1 is 6. So 24 sixths, which makes sense because you have 24 sixths. 24 divided by 6 is 4. Same idea here. We're taking our 64 and we're going to make it 64 ones. So 1/8 times 64 ones is basically you have 64 eighths, right? If you were to read this out loud. 64 divided by 8 is 8, as we know. 3/4 right here is the only one on the first page that's not a fraction. I mean, that's not a unit fraction, because now we're going to have 3/4 of 20. So 3/4 times 20 ones. So 3 times 20 is 60. 4 times 1 is 4. So 60/4. And then you can divide 60 by 4, which gives you 15. The other way of thinking about it is like 1/4 of 20 is 5. So 3/4 has to be 15. When we're modeling 16, I drew my green bar had 2 sets of 8. Which means that 1/8 is going to be a bar of 2, and think about it like 1/8 of 16 is 16 divided by 8, which is 2. So 2/8 have to be 4. So you have 1/8, 2/8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8/8, which would be the whole thing, but 2 of them would be 4 squares. And last but not least, 1/3 of Mr. Schomer's 21 students went to the library at recess, and 1/7 of those that were left went to the playground. So we have to start with library. So 1/3 of 21 is 1/3 times 21 ones, 21 students. So 1 times 21 is 21. 3 times 1 is 3. 21 thirds is 7, so 21 divided by 3 is 7. So there were 7 students that went to the library, which means that there were 14 students left, right? 21 minus 7. And we want to know what 1/7 of 14 is. So 1/7 times 14 ones, 14 students, which is 1 times 14, 14. 7 times 1 is 7. 14 divided by 7 is 2. 2 students went to the playground. So go ahead, fix your answers so that they're all right, and then you can do the retest and get you an A+. All right.